Here's IBPS clerk reasoning question. Observe clearly. Very simple. Of course, we have 4 questions. So first of all, observe the basic thought. What is the question actually? Neurotic is defined as what? Tychroneu. Right? Of course, neurotic defined as what? Tychroneu. Then what about psychotic? So we need to shuffle the letters. First of all, we need to understand the basic concept of the given situation. Here, we need to count the number of letters first. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. Then what about this one? They also will have same letters. Okay, the word is same, but there will be a shuffle of alphabet, right? Yes, we need to shuffle the alphabet, that's it. Here also same thing, but we need to count the letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are there. So even though, first of all, we need to observe the basic concept. Of course, 8 letters are there, 9 letters are there. So what? You can shuffle it, there is another issue. First of all, we need to observe the midpoint. RO is there here. We need to observe the common letters. Common letters. RO, no change in midterm. Yes or no? Of course. TIC becoming TIC. Logically, this will be left side and this will be right side, right? Okay, TIC group will be left side. Left side. NAU group will be right side. This is called shuffling. 3 letter shuffling and middle letter 2 times will be same. Middle 2 letters will be same. Remaining 3 letters shuffling is there. Here also same thing we will do, right? PSY will be right side, TSC will be left side. But even though we don't have a middle letter as 2, right? We have 3 letters. So what? Even though this CHO can be fixed. According to options you can decide it, right? I can fix CHO. Why? Because we have 9 letters, right? Here we have 8 letters. That's why only 2 letters we need to observe. But if you go for this one, CHO will be the mid letter, mid group. PSY will be right side, TSC will be left side. Logical answer can be what? TIC. Observe the options. According to options, you decide it. TIC, to TIC, CHO, the same way PSY, PSY. Here we have RO and RO. There is no shuffling of RO, right? RO is not becoming OR. That's why RO will be fixed. In the same way, CHO will be fixed. CHO will be fixed, remaining 3 letters and 3 letters shuffling. Left side will be right, right group will be left. Very simple technique. Okay, this can be 1 mark in IBPS clerk. Okay. Let's go for the next question. What about next question? A nightingale. Nightingale verbal. Frog. Okay. Frog. Very simple question. Nightingale means what? It's a bird, right? Bird. Nightingale verbal means the sound of the particular bird. The sound of the particular bird. Nightingale sound can be, you can realize, the particular sound is called as verbal. Right. Then what about frog? Frog will have particular sound. So we need to define the sound of frog. So according to the biological theory, we need to understand the basic words, right? Of course, frog sound will be yell, crackle, crack. B is the best one, croak. As nightingale verbal, frog will be croak sound. Of course, if you want to even listen to the word, sound also, nightingale sound will be. That is the verb. Frog sound will be. That is the croak. So logical answer will be correct. Video, cassette, computer. Video means cassette. Computer means what? We'll have reels, recordings, files, floppy. Observe the options now. And also CPU. Video means it will be recorded in a cassette. Yes or no? In the same way, computer means computer cannot be recorded, right? But according to the given situation, scientific theory, video will be stored in cassette. Of course, the video is nothing but cassette. Cassette is nothing but storage. Storage will give video. Yes or no? In the same way, computer will give the appearance, right? Video is nothing but appearance. It will be stored in cassette. In the same way, computer data will be stored. Video data will be stored in cassette. In the same way, computer data will be stored in reels, recordings, files, floppy, CPU. Reels, it is not a particular instrument. It is not an instrument, right? And of course, recordings, illogical. It is not an instrument. Then what about files? Files, soft copy. It is not a hard material. CPU is nothing but, it is not storage. It is what? Mechanism, right? Logically, the best one is what? Floppy. Floppy is nothing but storage. Yes, files will be stored in floppy, right? Logically, computer storage will be in floppy. Floppy files will be displayed in computer. In the same way, cassette will store video. The video will be displayed through cassette, right? Logically, the best source of video will be cassette. The best source of computer will be floppy. Computer is nothing but a particular appearance from where it can appear from files only, right? In the same way, video will appear from where? From the cassette. Same story. Answer will be easily floppy, right? Okay. Next one, last one is very interesting one. Observe clearly. Very important question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. 4 of the 5 are alike. And so form a group which is one that does not belong to that group. Okay, fine. Here we will have 5 options. According to that particular options, you need to decide. Okay. First option is what? Option A. 1 9 1 9. It is 19. 1 9 bracket 0. This is A. Then what about B? Option B. Observe it. Observe. Option B is what? 2 at the rate 3 hash $4 sign. Okay, fine. Then wait, what about C? C also very interesting. C option very interesting. Percentage 5 8 star minus whatever. Now let's go for the D. Option D is very interesting. 4 power 8 and the symbol and as well as equal minus. Of course, D option is also there. We have 4 options. So according to the given definition, we have only 4 options now. In this particular 4 options, one particular group is different. We have 4 groups, right? In this particular group, we need to eliminate the unlike group. Unlike group means what? Group of symbols and letters are there. There is another issue. I need to find the exact. Of course, numerals are there, alphabet are there. There are no alphabet, right? No problem. 0 can be number. Digits and as well as symbols are there. We need to eliminate the unlike group, right? How can you decide it? Here we have 1 9. It is a symbol. It is also bracket symbol. 0 is a digit. 2 is a digits. At the rate 3 hash $4 sign. Observe all the options. The best option to eliminate is what? The best option to eliminate is what? D. D can be a right answer. Why? Very simple. Don't confuse. Single step story. Don't confuse. Don't take it as a subject. It is not subject. But if you go for 4th option, 4 will be appeared. Then what about this symbol? We don't have this symbol in our keyboard. In computer keyboard, we don't have this symbol, right? Logically, all are displaying in particular keyboard, but 4th option, this particular sign is not displaying. That's why we can select this one. It is unlike when we compare all 3. Is it clear? Very easy, right? So my intention is what? On this part, how you are connecting to the particular situation is called reasoning. That is called common sense. With your common sense, how can you give the answer? Is called reasoning. Don't confuse. Don't take it as serious. Okay. You may be arts group or science group, maths, non-maths, whatever. The common sense is very important. Of course, reasoning is very powerful topic. Why? Because scoring, right? Scoring topic. Of course, according to the quantity aptitude, you can eliminate. According to pure maths, if it is SSC-CGL exam, according to pure maths and quantity aptitude, you can eliminate. That is another issue. But here, reasoning is common for all. You may arts or science. That's why don't lose it. Okay? These are the 4 questions we have. We will discuss the remaining questions also.